We don't eat at nice restaurants, really, ever. So.
When they give you water before your meal. Oh, sorry, I just put it right in your way. Sorry.
Goodness. Look at how full this smoker is. This is gonna be good. Yeah, we bought a cart to haul our stuff down to the beach. Our stuff is Carly, and I'm holding all the stuff. Splash for sure. We are at the airport, Columbus Airport. Not for the reason that we're not flying anywhere.
Really wish we were.
But we're going to a restaurant that I used to go to as a kid all the time. It's called the 94th Aero Squadron. Every time we had a special occasion,
turn right.
My mom used to take us to whatever restaurant we wanted, and this is always the place that I picked because I always loved aviation stuff. Yeah, this place has been around forever.
Probably because it just brought character to it. Like, look how packed it.
There's a lot of people here. Well, we'll see. All right, so we got there. Right next to the airport. Check this place out. It's cool looking still.
Yeah.
It's still cool looking. I haven't seen it in so long, but it's cool to see it again. I don't know, I'm excited. Walking in, they've got a cool, I think it's definitely a replica. It looks like a P-51 sitting over there. And then the entrance. So the lady that brought us to our table said they've been around for 43 years. 43 years. That's so long. But you can see, I don't want to do too much, but you can see all the old school stuff, and then right out there is the runway. I think I might get the sizzling steak because that's what walked past us when we walked in. That it's like on a sizzling cast iron.
That sounds good. I'm just gonna get the shrimp.
So it's got the history of the 94th Aero Squadron, which is kind of cool. I'll just pan slowly, and if you want to read it, you can pause it.
When I get there, there's always already something planned involves all of us.
Fresh bread. We don't eat at nice restaurants, really, ever. So.
When they give you water before your meal.
Yeah, right.
We haven't been there for a while.
We don't eat at nice restaurants.
Well, when you have a toddler, it kind of mixes.
Oh yeah, Grandma has Carly. She's staying the night at Grandma's tonight, so that's the only. Carly would not go here. That's not a Carly restaurant.
Oh, sorry, I just put it right in your way. Sorry.
Goodness. That thing is
Thank you.
sizzly. Oh, there's your shrimp.
Thank you very much.
Listen to this thing sizzle. And then look, there's a compound butter on it. Let's see. It's supposed to be medium rare. Yeah, that's perfect. It's pretty perfect. Nice. Was it good?
Yeah.
The steak was really good, and they cooked it perfectly. Nice medium rare. Nice and tender. It was good. It was really good. They said they had cheesecake. I like cheesecake. Look at this. That's cool looking.
Can I just say something? This is the first time I've ordered something without like net price.
We'll have to see what that is later. We're walking around after dinner because they're selling everything out of the restaurant basically. So we might get something. I don't know though. But this should show you how close they are to the runway. There's like the perimeter fence. That's actually a taxiway. They're right next to the runway. But there is that. And then you can see the little patio area that they got out here. It's kind of cool. Oh, look at the wing. You got the wing up top. And look, there's a tail section over there. That's cool. I guess they actually modeled the building off of an old French farmhouse, which is kind of cool. I'll definitely miss this place. I haven't been here in a long time, but man, it brings back good memories. So we ended up getting to talk to the owner's son, owner of the restaurant's son. He's super cool. I guess they've had the same DJ every Friday night for 40 something years, which is crazy. But yeah, I guess every Friday night they do live music and stuff like that. But just look at this huge patio right up next to the airport. Fireplace over there, all the patio lights in the building. Huh, that's cool. And then look at all the planes just sitting right there. And then we ended up, so they were selling. I know.
I surprised you.
They're selling everything off the walls. So we picked a little picture.
I got it for him. I was talking to the other guy because I knew he wouldn't do it for himself.
$10. I think it's cool.
Well, now you have a piece of your favorite restaurant.
Oh, gonna miss this place. All right, we're gonna head out, but check out. I just like how pretty this front is. The front is super cool looking. I said it was supposed to be an old French farmhouse, basically like World War II farmhouse, but that's cool. So this place will be missed, but I'm glad we got to come back one more time. Very good morning, everybody. So it is pretty early. It's about 7 in the morning. My family is camping with us today, and they wanted to try some smoked pulled pork. So we got the Traeger out. Again, I love this thing. So we got it all cleaned out. We're gonna get the Traeger fired up. I'll show you the pork in just a minute. I'm also gonna throw some ribs on, just not yet. I am gonna try 3, 2, 1 again. So we're gonna try that too. I got a rack of ribs, but let's get this thing fired up. Alrighty, well, I'm a little bit more awake now. Just been editing a little bit, had some coffee. Now, I'm gonna check on the smoker. I just went over and checked on my mom and brother are here, so went over there and checked on them. They are right here. So that's their toy hauler. But let's check on this pulled pork now. I didn't put the temp probe in it. I'll probably do that now anyway, but let's see how this is looking. Yeah, this sure did. Sweet. So I think we're gonna do dinner around 7-ish. I'm gonna plan. So 7:30. So I'm gonna put the ribs on around 1 o'clock, and then we can do the 3, 2, 1 for real this time. Last time I tried, we ended up leaving and it didn't work. So we're gonna give that a try. Alrighty, so hopefully you all can see. Due to some space constraints, I'm actually on the smoker. I'm gonna actually cut this in half because we've got a pork butt on there right now as well. So we're gonna cut this rack in half to cook and fit on the smoker easier. So you see, flip it over. Nice little tip if you ever do want to cut your ribs, actually flip it over. You can see the bones a whole lot easier. So it looks about right. Good enough. That looks good. Get under the membrane here. See if I can get it off easier. I always hate pulling the membrane off. It's always a pain in the butt for me. I never do very well pulling it off, but let's see if I can't get under this. There we go. Now it's coming. There we go. Nice. Sweet. Get it all off. Sweet. Let's get her all seasoned up. We are using Honey Hog from Meat Church. I'm also gonna, when I wrap these, put a little maple, not maple, a little bit of actual honey in there for some sweetness in the ribs. This definitely has dried honey in it because it's sticky as crap. Don't be afraid to season your ribs properly. Alrighty, ribs are on. Look at how full this smoker is. This is gonna be good. Yeah. Unfortunately, I have like 3/4 of a rack of ribs. The other ones are just gonna be whatever for people to try. But about an 8-pound pork butt on here as well, and a whole rack of ribs. And this is a Traeger Ranger, very small Traeger. But look at that. We're about 155 degrees on the pork. Obviously, the ribs just went in. So we're gonna let them cook for about 3 hours. Then we're gonna wrap them with some honey and extra seasoning. And then we're gonna let them go for 2 more hours. Then we're gonna unwrap them for the final hour to get that crust back. And that'll be perfect. And we're also gonna smoke some fillets on here. Alrighty, so everything's done. Everything is resting now. I'm shutting the smoker down. I've got those fillets at 125 degrees. So they are gonna rest for about 10 minutes or so to bring them up to about 130, and then I'm going to sear them, and they'll be a perfect medium rare. So everything is good to go. Look at those beautiful smoked steaks. So we're going to let this stuff rest. So it is a very hot well, it's probably about 85, so it's not super hot, but it's pretty warm outside. We decided today we were going to go to the beach. We did some editing this morning, had a little breakfast, made a latte or two, and then Carly decided she wanted to go to the beach. So
Or 4.
we only had 2.
I know, I wish we had 4.
But we're on the way. We're just pulling into the Deer Creek Beach, which if you haven't been, is very nice. Alum Creek Beach is also very nice. They're probably...
This one's better than Alum Creek.
I think Deer Creek's better, but Deer Creek Beach is very nice, and so is Alum. They're the 2 best state park beaches in Ohio, I think. So I just want to say that we bought a cart to haul our stuff down to the beach. Our stuff is Carly, and I'm holding all the stuff. I have the paddleboard on my back and the tent. Mom has her bag. The only thing that's in the cart is Carly.
I mean, technically, to be fair, my bag could go in there. I just didn't take it off.
Needed a bigger cart. There's Carly.
Bring some stuff.
Yeah, we're going over there. So you can see how nice this whole area is. It's very well done.
This used to be all grass.
They added a bunch. There's obviously a bathhouse over there. You can see the like little umbrella areas they've got. And then they've also got that nice playground over there.
The paved area is nice when you have wagons and stuff.
Yeah, it's nice. You can see all the people. Oh, there's the lodge over there.
Yeah, it's a sunset, but we were there earlier and that was a heck of a view.
You got a really good view from here. So now it is Saturday, but look how packed this is. There's a lot of people for a state park beach. And everyone up here.
But Ohio has nothing.
It's so nice here though. Man, it's a nice day too. It's not so hot that it's uncomfortable, but it's nice enough to swim. It's nice. Carly's enjoying the ride down the hill. We're gonna find everybody and get our tent set up and relax for a couple of hours. So we got all set up here at the beach. We got the tent up, we had lunch, and okay. All right, so sorry if this offends anybody, but this is the grossest beer I have ever tried. Like the taste at first is like, oh, that's not too bad, and then the aftertaste at you is just absolutely disgusting. Man, I know I said it last time, but I gotta find an electric pump for this paddleboard. Got it all inflated though. It's nice outside, so I don't mind trying to stand up. I'm sure I'm gonna fall. It's gonna be a good time no matter what. All right, so someone who's never, or at least she claims that she's never paddleboarded before.
I think she paddleboard.
Said, can I try the paddleboard? And got on it and just flew down the beach.
No, but first she's like, is this hard? And it's like, it depends. It would be okay falling in. She's like, okay. And then she's like, bro, that's a little
And just rides on down the beach, no effort.
waves and all.
So, making us look dumb. All right, Mom's trying it again.
Probably not.
Oh, we're gonna see a splash. Splash for sure.
That was a heck of a fall.
Let's go.
Whoa, you can't even see it! Go down, go down! Woo!
I feel like when you tense up is when you fall.
Yeah. You just have to be fluid with it.
Not too bad. There we go.
There we go. Now we're getting movement.
Oh.
Now if you fall, you're really gonna fall out there.
This makes me more and more excited to go to Florida. Just chilling here, and it's nice outside. It's like 85 degrees. Mom's reading. Carly's over there eating Cheetos, playing with Grandma, and it's just nice. I'm sitting here in the tent relaxing. I can't wait until Florida, and I really hope we get to go to Florida this winter, because we can spend the whole winter when it's nice outside on the beach and still enjoying decent weather, and we got stuff on the grill at the smoker, on the smoker, back to the trailer. And we don't have to move the trailer. We just wake up tomorrow and we're still here. I love this. RV life is exactly what we needed. This is perfect. Alrighty, welcome back everybody. So yesterday, as you saw, we had some fun with family, went to the beach, came back, had dinner. We had our pork and our ribs, and I actually did that steak on there. And then we went to the playground. And I thought it was gonna be 10 minutes. Ended up being 2 hours at the playground. And we ran around. Carly had an absolute blast.
The boys did.
Yeah, my brother's kids had fun. Carly found a new friend. And we were exhausted when we got back. So we did not film anything yesterday, but it was a fun Saturday. So they have gone on their way. They were obviously only here for the weekend. It's Sunday right now. So
Weird without them here.
I know, right? The campground's cleared out pretty much. We are enjoying ourselves at the dog park. Bailey likes Sundays because there's usually no other dogs in the dog park. So we ran to the store, got a pizza for tonight, and yeah, Bailey's having some fun. Carly's decided to play with Bailey now. It went through your legs, buddy. It's right there. It's right there. But
Ooh, what is that?
oh wow, a little doom buggy.
That's
Check
cool.
this out. Look at that thing. That is cool looking. A little doom buggy rolling through camp. Bailey, no, give Mom the ball. Give Mom the ball.
Got it.
Carly's waiting too.
You ready? Got it, Carly.
Go get it, Bailey's. And then Carly runs. All right, well, it looks like we're gonna get rained on here again. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed the weekend of fun we had here at the beach and pork and all that good stuff. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.